If you design machines or build panels, you know the pressure. Cleaner designs, faster commissioning, and solutions that adapt as their systems evolve. I want to show you how this device will help you get there. Let's break down the top 3 reasons the new PLC-Interface Ethernet Gateway helps you deliver smarter, more flexible automation. Traditional I/O systems often lead to excessive requirement, whether it's excess channels, tedious wiring, or an expensive bill of materials. This gateway lets you right-size every decentralized node. This modular remote relay system with multi-protocol connection allows for up to 56 channels of digital or analog I/O in a compact design for decentralized automation. It supports Ethernet IP, PROFINET, and Modbus TCP all in one module, and integration is seamless inside Studio 5000, TIA Portal, and PLCnext Engineer, meeting your network needs wherever you are. And it's built for nearly any small-scale applications across machine building, energy storage, and building automation. It's also built to meet the rugged demands of UL Class 1 Division 2 environments. So these are the top 3 reasons. 1, fewer terminations. 2, fewer cards. 3, faster commissioning. And because the architecture is modular, every functional unit of your machine can scale or reconfigure without starting over. The result? Cleaner panels, simpler wiring, quicker installs, and a solution that makes you or your customer confident in the final design. Explore the PLC-Interface Ethernet Gateway. Click the link below, request a starter kit, or talk with your local Phoenix contact representative today.